Let's see, there we go. So, yep, we're at the GW. Today's yellow. And this is after our live. So we're going to come and check stuff out. Oh, these look comfy. Are they? These look very comfy. Easy Spirit. How much are you, Easy Spirit? No idea. $8. These look really cute.
What?
These look comfy. Sarah's giving me the stink eye. Stink eye from Sarah. Here are all the ties. Didn't see anything special. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. It's not even a. Oh, interesting. That's interesting. I'll have to look it up. Well, let's keep looking. Oh, Sarah found something already. Oh, look at, she got a whole pile. The sugar bowl's down underneath.
Oh, $8.
Nice. Today's yellow, so is it half price? Wow, look at those big, tall.
Wedding things.
Yeah. Pretty cool, though. I need my glasses for half of this stuff.
Hard to hear because their stuff's like $1.
Tara. Whoa, these are heavy chargers. Of course, I put my... Somebody had a wedding. Must be.
And here's something you probably...
Shenango.
You probably wouldn't look at or wonder if it's worth
Right.
anything because it's blue heron.
Right.
Never heard of it, but the last time I did that, it was a good sale.
Huh.
I have some of this.
Do ya? Well, now you could have some more.
What's that?
I don't know. Look at this one. 'Cause that
Oh,
one had a
international.
price. These are very interesting,
This is
though.
Japanese. It's Tuscany from Japan.
Set up 8 of them. I might put them in my cart for now. But they're awfully heavy.